Can you start with your name and can you spell it?
Yes, Meagan Day, Meaganday. I was born in Salem, Oregon. I was there for 2 weeks and then we went back down to North Louisiana, where my family's from. My grandparents had a job at a paintbrush factory in Louisiana, and they were going to open up another paintbrush factory in Oregon. Went out to Oregon, did that. On the way back from Oregon down to Louisiana, my grandmother had always wanted to see the Great Smoky Mountains, and so we came driving through here. She fell in love with it. Once we got back down to Louisiana, we found out they were opening a paintbrush factory in Boones Creek. So it was easy paintbrush factory. They actually made some of the paintbrushes that Bob Ross uses. Yeah, like the Bob Ross paintbrushes. So my mama actually used to take the art classes from Bob Ross's mentor, W. Alexander. So they would provide them, provide the staff with free painting classes. So yeah, that's why I'm in Jonesborough. My mama worked at a paintbrush factory.
Do you consider yourself like a Jonesboroughian?
Oh yes.
If that's a word?
1000%.
Okay, so what do you consider that to be?
I guess it's how to consider it. Like someone that lives, works, interacts with everything Jonesborough. I mean, I've worked in multiple places downtown. I've helped with events downtown. I don't know, I guess it's like you're home away from home. I like that it's growing. I do like that. I'm not going to say that I love how much it's grown recently, just because I don't think we were prepared for the influx of people that came here all at once. But I do think like with growth, good changes come about, and I'm looking forward to seeing how Jonesborough handles that in the coming years. Like right now it just feels like everything was dumped on us all at once, but I think we're going to be able to navigate it and, hopefully stay small-minded, just because I think we have something special in Jonesborough, and I don't really want us to become another big city. So this is Depot Street Brewery. I chose it as my favorite place in Jonesborough because where my family is not from here, this was one of the first places in Jonesborough that I really kind of met the people of Jonesborough and started to get to know everyone. I don't know, it always reminded me of like the back porch of Jonesborough. I met people, some of them have become roommates, some of them have become employers, business partners. It's just the group that comes down here has kind of become like my second family. I don't know, it's funny, my friends joke and they're like, you're going to be the mayor one day, because they laugh because, I'm walking down the street and it's like, oh, hey, Deb, oh, hey, Donnie, what's up, Zach, how's it? You get to see the same faces all the time, and you've got history with a little bit of every one of them. So, not growing up around my family, the people of Jonesborough, the way they just like embrace you and treat you as their own, I had a little bit of a health scare last year. They found this place on my lungs, and I got really nervous that it was like cancer, and so I didn't tell a lot of people, but word gets around in Jonesborough, and so I had everybody would stop by the coffee shop, and they're like, hey, I heard what's going on, how are you doing with it? I'm like, I'm fine, I don't know anything yet, but I just felt really supported by those people, and actually when I got my results back and it turned out it was just some weird malformation on my lungs, they threw me a "you don't have cancer" party here at the brewery, and it just, I don't know, knowing that many people care about you, and you know, you're not blood related, but they're family. There was a handful of times that I thought about leaving just to see what else is out there, and I don't know, I love the mountains, I love the river, I love the outdoors, I love the community. I love everything about East Tennessee. I get a little bit of culture, or I can drive an hour down the road to Asheville or Knoxville, or you know, it's just a really nice central location. It's a good landing spot. So I don't know, it's home.